As an agent, I'm often asked, should I sell my home during the winter? Hi, I'm Tara Lauterbach with REMAX Heritage Properties. It used to be that the winter months were the worst months to sell your home due to less than ideal conditions, and that the buyer's mentality that sellers are more desperate trying to sell their home during the winter and holiday months. However, in today's market conditions, that no longer holds true. With the shortage of inventory driving the market, listing your home in the winter may work well to your advantage. More likely than not, the buyers who are viewing your property are not just browsing, but seriously motivated buyers that need to purchase. Also, with the fewer homes in the market in the winter, there's less competition from other sellers. Of course, it's always important to hire an experienced agent who can help you market your home to its full potential in the winter months. If you want to find more tips, please hit like and follow me. If you'd like more information on what your home is worth in today's market, please reach out to my team and myself, and we're more than willing to help you. Tara Lauterbach, REMAX Heritage Properties, fulfilling dreams, one home at a time.